Imagine waking up richer, not because you found buried treasure, but because your AI sidekick worked while you snored. In 2025, ChatGPT does not sleep, complain, or need coffee breaks, it just makes money moves. It's like having a nerdy genius roommate who writes ebooks, edits videos, and sells stuff online while you binge watch Netflix. Forget side hustles, this is your full-time AI hustle buddy. Ready to let a chatbot do the adulting while you live the dream. Why ChatGPT is your ultimate passive income partner. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's the Swiss Army knife of the digital age. And in 2025, it's the secret weapon in your passive income arsenal. Developed by OpenAI, this AI marvel understands context, nuance, and creativity, making it the ultimate virtual assistant with zero salary demands or vacation days. Whether you're launching a blog, selling online courses, or plotting a niche empire, ChatGPT can brainstorm product ideas faster than you can say, monetize. Need an ebook in a weekend? Done. A script for your YouTube video? Easy. A catchy social media post or a witty tweet? Say no more. This AI does not just help you create, it helps you strategize, automate, and scale. You can even feed it rough ideas and watch it polish them into gold, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, like sipping iced coffee or binge-watching productivity videos while feeling productive. It translates languages, writes code, summarizes reports, and even crafts ad copy that sounds human, sometimes too human. Best of all, it gets better the more you use it. Like a digital genie minus the lamp, ChatGPT is always ready to serve, no rubbing required. In short, it's the tireless, brilliant, and slightly nerdy business partner you never knew you needed, making it the ultimate companion for anyone looking to earn more while doing less. Create and sell digital products. Creating and selling digital products in 2025 is like opening a vending machine that spits out money while you sleep, and ChatGPT is the tech-savvy wizard stocking the shelves. The digital economy is hotter than ever, with ebooks, online courses, printables, and Canva templates flying off virtual shelves faster than avocado toast at a Sunday brunch. With ChatGPT, you can whip up a best-selling ebook in days, complete with a compelling title, structured chapters, engaging content, and even a quirky author bio without breaking a sweat. Want to teach a course on minimalist living or dog grooming? ChatGPT can outline the curriculum, write lesson scripts, and even suggest marketing hooks that actually convert. It's like having a team of ghostwriters, researchers, and branding experts in one neat little AI box. And the best part, once you upload your masterpiece to platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy, it keeps working for you 24/7, no customer service, no shipping headaches, no running out of stock. You can be at the beach or binge watching reality TV while your digital storefront earns you passive income. It's a creator's dream, and with ChatGPT in your corner, you can pump out products that look polished, professional, and profitable, even if you're operating in pajama mode. Launch a faceless YouTube channel. Video content is in high demand, and ChatGPT can help you tap into this market. The rise of faceless YouTube channels has democratized content creation. You no longer need to be on camera to build a successful channel. ChatGPT can generate engaging scripts tailored to your chosen niche, whether it's tech reviews, educational content, or storytelling. Pair these scripts with AI-generated voiceovers and stock footage to produce professional quality videos. Tools like InVideo or Pictory can automate much of the editing process. Monetization comes from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Consistency and quality are key, with ChatGPT handling the scripting. Maintaining a regular upload schedule becomes more manageable. Develop niche blogs with affiliate marketing. Blogging remains a viable passive income stream, especially when combined with affiliate marketing. Niche blogging allows you to target specific audiences with tailored content. ChatGPT can assist in keyword research, ensuring your blog posts are optimized for search engines. By focusing on a particular niche, such as sustainable living or tech gadgets, you can establish authority and trust with your readers. Incorporate affiliate links to products or services relevant to your content. When readers make purchases through these links, you earn a commission. Over time, as your blog gains traffic, these commissions can become a significant source of passive income. Regularly updating your content and engaging with your audience will further enhance your blog's success. Design and sell AI-generated art. With the integration of DALL-E into ChatGPT, creating visual content has never been easier. AI-generated art is carving out a significant niche in the digital art world. By inputting descriptive prompts into tools like DALL-E, you can create unique images suitable for various applications, from digital prints to merchandise designs. These creations can be sold on platforms like Redbubble, Society6, or your own e-commerce site. Additionally, non-fungible tokens have opened new avenues for digital artists to monetize their work. By minting your AI-generated art as non-fungible tokens, you can tap into the burgeoning crypto art market. Remember to ensure that your creations are original and comply with the licensing agreements of the AI tools you use. Offer AI-powered services. Turn ChatGPT into a service provider. The demand for content creation services is ever-growing. With ChatGPT, you can offer services such as resume writing, blog post generation, or social media content creation. By setting up a website or using freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can market these services to a global audience. Once you have established a client base, consider creating templates or packages that clients can purchase, reducing the need for constant customization. This approach allows you to earn income from products that require minimal ongoing effort, embodying the essence of passive income. Build and monetize custom GPTs. OpenAI's GPT Store allows you to create and monetize custom AI applications. Creating a custom GPT tailored to specific tasks or industries can be a lucrative venture. For instance, you might develop a GPT that assists with legal document drafting, or one that provides personalized fitness plans. Once developed, these GPTs can be listed on the GPT Store, where users can access them for a fee. Revenue is generated through subscriptions or usage-based models. To maximize earnings, ensure your GPT offers unique value and is marketed effectively to your target audience. Regular updates and improvements based on user feedback will also enhance its appeal and profitability. Investing with AI insights. While investing isn't traditionally passive, ChatGPT can enhance your investment strategies. ChatGPT can serve as a research assistant, analyzing financial reports, summarizing market trends, and providing insights into investment opportunities. By leveraging its capabilities, you can make more informed decisions, potentially leading to better returns. For instance, ChatGPT can help identify emerging industries or companies showing strong growth indicators. Additionally, it can assist in portfolio diversification strategies, risk assessment, and understanding complex financial instruments. While it shouldn't replace professional financial advice, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your investment decision-making process. Important considerations. Before you go on a passive income rampage powered by ChatGPT, hold up, there are a few ground rules to keep your AI empire from crashing like a poorly coded crypto token. First and foremost, quality control. Just because ChatGPT spits out paragraphs faster than a caffeine-fueled novelist doesn't mean you should hit publish without a second glance. Think of it as your brilliant but socially oblivious friend who means well, but occasionally says weird things you need to proofread, tweak, and add your human touch to make it sparkle. Then there's the legal stuff. Yes, even in the AI age, copyright laws still apply, and trust me, you don't want your side hustle turning into a courtroom drama. Make sure you're not unknowingly selling content that walks the plagiarism plank or violates platform policies. And don't forget, AI evolves faster than your phone's battery dies. What works today might be outdated next month. So keep learning, experimenting, and updating your strategies like a savvy digital entrepreneur. The winners in the AI race won't just be the fastest, they'll be the ones who play smart, stay legal, and constantly sharpen their skills. ChatGPT is your golden goose, but even golden geese need a little grooming. If you found this video helpful and your brain's buzzing with AI-powered money-making ideas, smash that like button like it just dropped a passive income bomb. Don't forget to subscribe for more juicy, chatbot-fueled hacks that keep your word fat and your workload slim. And hey, hit the bell so your next big breakthrough doesn't show up while you are napping again.